Apply white slip to a red clay pottery piece. It's okay if the slip isn't fully opaque, as it seems Kurt Anderson's pottery looks worn, for lack of a better term. You can do this on wheel thrown or hand-built pottery. I believe Kurt throws his cups. He uses red clay as it adds dimension to his work. You can see the clay through the slip in some areas. Kurt has smooth bottoms, while I don't on my cup. To make it more Kurt-like, I'm going to scrape slip off the surface so it's only in recessed areas. I'm using a smooth rib to scrape the slip. This is a good technique to use if you need to remove glaze from a foot or totally all over a piece before going over with a sponge. Also slip the inside. Apply a strip of underglaze on the bottom. Your signature will go here. Color choice is up to you. I'm using lilac underglaze. Once that underglaze strip has dried, write your name on the bottom in black underglaze. Using a liner brush will work best. Make a sketch of your chosen figure. It can be an animal, robot, alien, troll. I'm going with a cat. His figures are usually two-dimensional and cartoonish, not lifelike. I've drawn out the cat into block-like shapes so it's easier to plan out my underglazing. Carefully draw out the areas with a small, fluffy brush. Fluffy brushes are better for his style of underglazing as they don't leave uneven lines behind. Apply 3 coats of underglaze until the black is opaque. Then draw another figure on the opposite side. So my cats are done and dry to the touch. Now, working from a palette of 6 colors, I'm painting circles like polka dots all around the walls. His figures are always black with white sgraffito or white with black inlay. The dots are colorful and seemingly random. Sometimes he'll use washes instead of underglaze dots, but for simplicity, we're doing underglaze. Add some line work detail to your figure. Separate areas like ears, tails, and limbs with a line. Have a tail or wings appear texturally different by giving them a pattern of lines or waves that are different from how the body is designed. Use a brush to remove clay boogers as you apply Sgraffito. Choose a similar design on the other figure. This cat will have larger eyes and a slightly different tail. After bisquing, use a tinted clear glaze on the interior. Leave the outside bisque like Kurt, or use the plain clear glaze on the outside. I hope you've enjoyed this Make Like the Masters, and we hope to have more styles and techniques to show you.